Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we're just going to do the previous question using software, so Python in this case. If you haven't done the previous question is already in this question. But basically we're just going to use a variable pressure from 0.5 to 1.5 MPa. We're going to plot the graph and talk about it. Alright, so here's the manual working from the previous question. So you can pause the video if you want to, or you can just skip ahead. Okay. So that's the working, and now here's today's answer, I suppose. So as you can see, the table's a little bit blurry, same with the graph. So now we're going to switch to the Python readouts. Okay. So we've got pressure and we've got volume. So as you can see, we've got a low pressure going to a high pressure, and then we've got a high volume going to a low volume. If we swap to the graph or plot, as you can see, the volume is on the y-axis and the pressure is on the x-axis. So this line is actually a curve. As you can see, there's a slight curve. So it is inversely proportional. So it is a reverse exponential. So it's exponentially decreasing. Okay, so what does this tell us? So as we have a higher pressure, our volume will decrease. So this is in relation to the tank from the previous question. Okay, so switching back. So that is what the graph is trying to tell us. So an inversely proportional, the shape is an negative exponential. All right. So like and subscribe before we leave. I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow copyright laws. Sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac or Linux, use the snipping tool equivalent. So click on your icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in the snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe once again. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.